A new bill being considered in Wisconsin would allow local school districts to make sex education and teaching contraception optional. News 8's Pauline Lee joins us now in our studio with a closer look. Pauline?
Right now, it's required that all Wisconsin public schools teach sex education and include lessons about contraceptive methods. The La Crosse School District teaches abstinence as just one of the contraceptive alternatives, saying what's best for students is having options. For Tammy Hayden, sending her kids off to school means getting a comprehensive education.
I think for public education, we have the right and we need to teach everything that we possibly can about topics that could involve health-related issues for students and for other kids.
And that includes learning about abstinence and contraceptive methods in health education class.
And I think there was a time when you didn't talk about it, and I think times have changed. And I think with the times changing, we also have to change what we are teaching in schools.
For the La Crosse School District, they think it's important for students to know they have options.
Very much something that we teach healthy relationships, building a positive relationship before being sexually active. So it's not as if we don't teach abstinence. We include the contraception in addition to the abstinence within the curriculum.
The new bill would make sex education and the contraceptive talk optional.
It is not a mandate that human growth and development education must be taught or not taught. It leaves it in the hands of the school districts to decide whether to have a curriculum, and if they do want to have a curriculum, it gives the school districts the power to design that curriculum.
State Senator Mary Lasik authorized the bill, saying sex education needs to have community input.
Education is sensitive as sex ed. I think it's very important that parents are involved in the curriculum decisions, aware of the curriculum decisions, participatory with the school district.
For this local parent, learning about sex education in a school environment is just one possible option.
I do think, though, it's really up to parents. And if parents aren't going to discuss it at home or talk about it or feel uncomfortable doing it, then school is a great place for them to learn it.
The La Crosse School District revisits the health curriculum once every 3 years, taking into account local community input. Parents also do have the option to opt their children out of the health and sex education classes in the district.
All right, thanks, Pauline. And even though the new bill doesn't require schools to teach sex education and contraceptive methods, if school districts do decide to offer that curriculum, they are required to teach abstinence as the only reliable method to preventing pregnancy and disease. The bill is up for a vote tonight in the state Senate.